Hi guys, Alex here. It's been a while since I've done a video, and I'm going to be doing a video on Inkscape and using a feature that is very well known, but using it under an application that some people might not know about. So I discovered this application after watching SVG and me. So, I want to give credit where it's due. The ideas come from her, so go ahead and watch her videos. But here it goes. Basically, imagine having an icon, a logo or some sort that you want to replicate. So it's an image file, but you want to replicate it into SVG or an illustration vector graphics type file. So these images here are Creative Commons. So you could see here, if you go to Tools, Creative Commons, they're basically images that you can use. And if I just download this image and put it onto my desktop, save it on the desktop, and then I'm simply putting the image into Inkscape. And traditionally what we'd have to do is go to the draw freehand lines and basically click on there and then trace the image, and you know what happens. We don't ever tend to get it the right length at the right height, and it's all a bit wider on this side than that side and so on. But this bucket tool, if I click on it and then I say just select the color, so I'm selecting an orange here, and I go bam, look what happens. That's literally a vector graphics of that without having to trace it. It's done in the split of a second. And just to prove to you it's vector graphics, look, it's got the nodes and you can move them around. And not only that, you can scale up this image as much as you want, and there's no pixelations or any quality issues like you'll get here by scaling up the original image. You could see there's pixelations on the side here or on the edge, but none at all on the vector graphics. So that's pretty cool, right? But it gets better than that. I mean, let me go back to the images here, and let's take this one here, save it onto my desktop and put it into Inkscape. And imagine creating this outline. It takes time. Again, the draw tool, trace it. You can never get the lines right. One's higher than the other and so on. You could use the same thing with a bucket tool. You could go there and you can just click on it, and it's essentially created the outline. Now, just to clarify, when you zoom in, like so, and you look at the nodes, you could see there's a top and bottom node. It's not quite the same thing as a single line. So for example, like so, change the color to orange. Oops. Change well, make it red, whatever. And that's one single node there, but this has got a node top and bottom. So essentially it's not quite the same thing as an outline, but it gives you the exact same effects. So it's as quick as that. So I was quite surprised to see that, and I was quite happy to see it, and I think it's very useful, and I think I'll be using it in the future when it comes to using other designs that I might have seen online, bring it over, create a vector graphics of it, and then I can manipulate it to change it to suit my own path or my own direction of how I want the design to go. So anyway, guys, I thought this would be useful for you, and by all means, if it is useful, go ahead and use it, and also give credit to SVG and me. Thanks, guys, and speak to you soon. Bye for now.